हाय दोस्तों, वंस अगेन वेलकम बैक। आप सभी को हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत है। दिस वीडियो इज़ पर्टिकुलरली फॉर बिहार में इफ़ यू गेट सम ट्रैफिक चलान फाइन, सो विदाउट हेलमेट और सिग्नल जंपिंग, if you get any kind of traffic challan, how to fill it online, because as of now the government website is not allowing to pay it online. So in this video I will clearly show you how to pay online and how to get the receipt online. So let us start with the video. So I am showing you a sample traffic challan. You can see here traffic police offense, okay, and this happened in Bihar, Patna. So Patna is in Bihar. So as you can see here, this challan will have a challan number, okay, 7 BR, then 17 digit hoga usme. After that below you can see vehicle number also, okay. So vehicle number, challan number, two items are the main things. You need to check your bills online also to pay online, okay. So this is the bottom page of the same challan. As you can see here, the offense will be there. This person without helmet travel किया है, so इसलिए this person got 1000 rupees fine, okay, without helmet. So offense is clearly written, 1000 rupees he has to pay. Without helmet he has traveled. So this is the government website, Parivahan website, challan.parivahan.gov.in. you can get this link from my video description, copy paste and do it in mobile in your browser. If you open this, you can see clearly Government of India website. So bottom of this you can get your challan details. So we are going to see the challan details, verify it online first, okay. You have three options: challan number, vehicle number or driving license number. Any of these three value you have to enter, friends, otherwise you will not get challan details. So challan number means directly you can enter, otherwise vehicle number if you select, you need to enter your vehicle number and chassis or engine number, last 5 character आपको enter करना होगा, okay, if you are selecting vehicle number. If you select DL number, driving license number of the driver who was driving the vehicle. So these are the three options. Now let us select challan number, because when you get the challan, surely the challan number will be there. It will be, example I am giving, it will be like this. If it is from Bihar, it will be BR. After that almost 17 digit will be there, okay. The challan number will be like that. Example, okay, 128 821 and 0, this will be almost 17 digits. This is the example. So you have to enter your challan number like this. Please check your challan and enter the challan number properly. And after that ये captcha आपको enter करना होगा 67ZYHD, whatever captcha it is there in the website, enter the same captcha properly, and after that click on the get detail button here. So once you click get detail button, it will show you the clearly your challan, okay, whatever you see in the hard copy. You can see here total challan 1. If you have multiple offenses, multiple challans will be there. Just scroll down and see the details. Violator name, so who was the driver driving the vehicle, vehicle number, challan number, and amount and date, everything is there. Challan is pending, that means this person has not yet cleared, okay. Challan is not yet cleared online or offline. So you can click on challan print. Near challan print you will get an Acrobat icon. You can see here, you can click on this and download your challan. The same challan you got hard copy, you can download soft copy also. And as you can see, receipt is not available. So if you click there, it will not work, because this person has not cleared it. Only once you clear it, receipt will be available. And you have an payment status option. Just click on the status. You can see it clearly says online payment service is not available for this state. That means this RTO from Bihar is not supporting online payment through Parivahan website. So this is the problem many of the friends are facing. I will show you how to pay this online, okay. Don't worry about this. Let us hold this website and go back to another website. I will show you. So before that, just click on the challan icon and you can see the challan here. I just verified whether the receipt is generated. Now come back to this website. This is the website, friends. I am giving this website URL in my video description. Copy paste and do it from your mobile or laptop, whatever you can do from any browser. This is the page you are going to get. Scroll down and click on traffic challan. Don't worry about this website. This is authorized website linked with your Parivahan, okay. So click on traffic challan. Once you click on traffic challan, you get a pop-up like this, a message like this. Okay, this is the message coming after clicking on traffic challan, and again click on the traffic challan here. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, it is a little bit confusing, but click on traffic challan once again. Once you click on traffic challan, again you can see here there will be page loaded saying that check and pay challans. You can see here, check your challan. So click on this blue button, check and pay challans. Okay, once you click on check and pay challans, it will take you to another page where it will ask your vehicle number. So friends, you can check using vehicle number. You don't need to enter any, if you do not know the challan number also it is fine. Please enter vehicle number for which vehicle you are going to check. Okay, so once you enter, say it's a Bihar vehicle, you can check for other states also. It's not specifically for Bihar, but the example I am showing you is for Bihar. Enter your vehicle number of Bihar and click on get challan details. Okay, once you click on get challan details, friends, you have not yet logged into this website. Okay, it will ask for login. Do not worry, you don't need to give any login ID, anything. Just enter your mobile number and click on verify my number. You can enter mobile number. It's not mandatory, owner's number should be there. Okay friends, because if you are paying for your friend, that also it will work, wo bhi chalega. So you have to enter your mobile number. It's not mandatory to enter owner's number. After entering mobile number, if you click on the button, you get an OTP like this. You can see here, I got an OTP here. So this is the OTP we are getting. Just copy or just note down the OTP, come back here and enter the OTP. So basically any mobile which you are having, you should enter, otherwise OTP will go to that mobile number. Enter the OTP and click on the submit button. Okay, so this is the clear and clean process. You don't need to create any login. You can see here clearly the vehicle due and challan details are there. It clearly says that there is a due, one due is there and total 1000 rupees, and without helmet this person was traveling. So now to pay this, click on the without helmet option, that button where without helmet and 1000 rupees is there. Now click there and it will show you details of payment is due, 1000 rupees is due, what is the offense, without helmet you travel, date is there, how many days are left. Within 54 days you are supposed to clear this, otherwise you will have problems. Okay, so Saturday 27th November 2021 is the last date to clear this challan, friends. Please note down, without this date you have to clear it. There is a pay now option at the bottom. You can see here blue color. Click on pay now option. Do not miss to clear it online, friends, because later they may even blacklist your vehicle. So you will get multiple options. After that, select your preferred option, card or whatever, and after that pay it off. Once you clearly pay it off, they'll say invoice will be generated 48 hours. Please wait for 48 hours and enter your email address here. Click on submit so that you will get invoice to the email ID. So as you can see here, once you pay, you come back to the same page. You can see here it clearly say no dues, no challans, but under paid challans there will be a digit 1 number because we have cleared the challan. Okay, click on paid challans button. It will clearly show you you have paid it, 1000 rupees has been paid and stuff, but there is no download option for what you are received. Don't worry, again come back to Parivahan website here. If you are not having download option there, you might get a mail. Otherwise, anytime come back to challan.parivahan website, scroll down. This is the first website we have checked it. As you know, we have 3 options, but I am entering challan number and the captcha and click on get details button here. Once you click on get details, you can see here now the status has changed. Clearly the receipt is generated. Please check after 48 hours. Okay friends. So you click on the green icon. You can see here previously receipt was not enabled. You were not able to click. Now if you click, you can see here receipt gets downloaded properly. Okay, so this way you can see here the receipt is generated and downloaded, and you can keep a copy of the receipt so that anytime anyone checks, you can produce this later also. Okay, thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. Also please share and subscribe. Thank you. See you with another informative video.